Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your love, twin flame and soulmate connection energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Gemini, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does not resonate with you Gemini, you may consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. On today's reading here Gemini, I'll be checking out into both of your energy and your person energy, and I'll be pulling up some channel messages from your person towards the end of the reading. So please listen until the end of the reading. Now let's look at into your reading here Gemini. On this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I've got coming up for you here, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm getting a very strong earth energy coming up here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, as well as air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now the energy that I've got coming up quite strongly for you here Gemini, especially with this Emperor energy coming up here, the message that I'm getting coming up here is that a very strong selfishness energy coming up here. Selfishness and stubborn energy is what I'm getting coming up here. For some reason Gemini here, I feel like you are being stubborn onto a certain things. I would say here, like I feel like your person might have done something wrong to you or might have hurt you either intentionally or unintentionally, and for some reason you are unable to let go of that. So with this Emperor energy that I've got coming up is that you are staying so firmly in your decision, even though that you know your decision is what making you feeling in pain, or is what making you feel the pain and feeling the hurt at this time. So it's almost like you are wanting to get better, like you want to like heal yourself here, but at the same time here this stubbornness is also what serving up as the delay at this point of time here Gemini. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that Temperance energy and the Five of Pentacles energy coming up here. I'm getting the word patient, but I feel like you have heard this word for many times before, and you just like almost like ready to give up of everything. Like the message that I've got coming up is that I'm done waiting, I'm done being patient. Like this is it, like I'm just going to throw it everything, and I'm just like going to throw away everything. So that kind of energy is what I'm getting coming up quite strongly from you here Gemini, especially with this Five of Pentacles energy coming up here. You know deep within yourself here that you are not happy where you are at this time, where you are staying at this time here, and you want to move, but for some reason here is that there is this very strong hesitation energy is what I'm picking up coming up from you here Gemini. I feel like part of you here is actually afraid to just like take that first step forward. Part of you here is just like afraid to just like throw everything out and just like move forward here, but at the same time here you're also feeling stuck, you're also feeling stressed out, you're also feeling all of this pain and hurtful energy around you. I feel like this is due to a very strong either third party situation or karmic situation in your life at this time here Gemini. It's like you know you need to change, and you know here you are ready for change. It's like you're also like working on yourself here Gemini. Like I'm not denying the fact that there are a lot of works that you've been putting on yourself, but for some reason here is that the environment or the people around you here is always going to be making you feeling down, is always going to be contributing to your anxiety, your fear, your trigger and everything. So it's like every time you work on yourself here, you're always being dragged a few steps forward because of the people and because of the situation around your life at this point of time here Gemini. So this is what with this Temperance energy and the Five of Pentacles energy here, the message that I'm getting coming up for you here is that before you actually make a decision on continuing your healing and continuing your transformation here Gemini, because with this Star energy that I've got coming up for you here, you are actually already on the right track of healing, you are actually already on the right track of transformation within yourself here. But the only delay or the only reason why you're always feeling hopeless, or you're always feeling like you're being left out in the cold, no one understands you, no one can actually feel your pain, it's because of the people around you. So before you actually move forward and continue with your healing journey here, Gemini, you need to reassess the people around you here. I feel like it's really necessary for you here, Gemini, to set up necessary boundaries within yourself here. Say no to certain say no to certain people, or even like cut contact if you feel it's necessary for your own mental and emotional peace here, Gemini. Now let's look at into your person energy here. I've got a very strong Hermit energy coming up here. I've got the Two of Pentacles and the Five of Cups energy coming in here as well. First of all, here I'm getting a very strong no communication energy here, or even if there is a very strong communication energy here, it's still like almost unnecessary misunderstanding, unnecessary conflict, where either both of you here or your person at this point of time here feels it's necessary to just like be quiet. It's necessary to just like step back from the communication. I'm also getting a very strong tiredness energy coming out from your person here as well. I feel like both of you, I would say here, not only your person, both of you are actually tired about this constant fighting, this constant argument between both of you here, and both of you really need a huge break at this time here. And I feel like this is something that needs to happen between both of you if it hasn't happened already. Now another thing that I've got coming up here from your person, Gemini, is that feeling a little bit off balance with this Two of Pentacles energy coming up here. I feel like they are trying to be navigating through so many things at one point, in a sense that they're trying to take care of one thing and then they're also like trying to take care of another thing. Like they're trying to multitask a lot, and this multitasking energy here is what making them feeling extremely overwhelmed, feeling extremely overburdened, and also like draining them energetically. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that feeling guilty energy coming in here as well. Feeling guilty energy as well as feeling little bit of regretful energy coming in here as well. So I feel like, again, I keep getting this conflict, fighting, unnecessary argument between both of you, which I feel like your person realizes that they might have triggered you one way or the other, or your person might have realized that because of something that they have done here, they just like triggering you or pushing you too much, and now they're kind of like feeling regretful about what had happened here. So those kind of like questions is also another thing that I've got coming up from your person. The overall energy that I've got coming up from your person here, Gemini, I've got the Harvest energy coming up here. The Harvest energy coming in here is more of like they're actually ready for a new beginning for both of you here, with both of you. But the only thing that is concerning them here is that even after both of you get back together again, or even after both of you make things up here, what is on their mind here is that would the same thing be repeated again? So those are the major fear that they have within themselves here at this point of time here, Gemini. This is why they're currently in this huge hermit mode energy here. Now let's look into the channel messages that I've got coming up from your person. I've got family issue and family upbringing. I've got insecurities, and then I've got religious factors and spiritual factors. I've also got not now energy coming in here as well. So with this not now energy coming in here, Gemini, this is like talking about now is not the right time for both of you to be together. The reason for that here is that you have a lot of things that you need to set up necessary boundaries within yourself. Like you have to standing up in your own power, I would say here. And another on the other side here is that your person are still having that very strong hesitancy energy here. Would things actually change for the better? Like what is going on here? So those kind of like question, both of you are at this point of time here are unsure, I would say here, unsure about what the future holds between for both of you. Another thing that I've got coming up here, I've got a very strong insecurities energy here. I've also got religious or spiritual factors, and then I've also got family issues or family upbringing. Some of you here, Gemini, both of you might have coming up from a different religion. And another thing I've got here is that a different level of spiritual understanding or different level on your personal journey here, Gemini, where they are not really as awakened as you are. They are not really aware about this connection as you are here. And on top of that here, they are also struggling with a lot of insecurities, family issues, and family upbringing coming up here. So again, like I said before, there are so many layers on this particular connection, so many triggers on this particular connection that both of you need to heal, that both of you need to release off here. But majoritarily here I'm getting that this very strong insecurities energy and family issues and family upbringing here, Gemini. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates, and I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.